Hi guys, hello, how are you doing today? Amazing. I'm doing very well myself, thank you very much. So today we're going to be learning numbers. We're going to learn to be able to count from 1 all the way up to 10. And we're going to be using number blocks to help us. So should we get started? Yeah, okay. So the first number to start us off is number 1. So here it is. This is number 1. And we have 1 block. We have 1 block. And this is how you write the number 1. 1. So we count the cover of the box. So we have 1 block. Well done. The next number we have is 2. So the next number is 2. So we have 1, 2 blocks. And this is what the number 2 looks like. So we do it together. So how many blocks do we have? We have 1, 2. Well done. So the order we go, we have 1, and then we go 2. Well done. The next number is 3. So we have 1, 2, 3 blocks. So we have 1, 2, 3 blocks. And this is what number 3 looks like. So should we say it together? Ready? Here we have 1, 2, 3. Well done. So the order goes 1, 2, 3. Well done. And the next number is 4. So we're going to go 1, 2, 3, 4. And that's what the number 4 looks like. So we're going to go 1, 2, 3, 4. That's correct. So should we do it together? So we're going to go 1, 2, 3, 4. Well done. You're doing so well. Well done. So that's the number 4. So the order goes 1, 2, 3, 4. Well done. You're doing so well. The next number is number 5. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 blocks. And that's what the number 5 looks like. So we're going to go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Well done. So should we count together? So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Well done. You're doing so well. So can you remember how we started off? So we start off with the number 1. And then we go to 2. The next number is 3. Then 4. And now we're up to 5. Well done. You're doing so well. Do you know what number comes next? We have 6. So this is the number 6. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 blocks. And that's what the number 6 looks like. Wow. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 blocks. Should we do it together? So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Well done, you're doing so well. So we go number 1, and then we go to number 2, and then we go to number 3, and then we go to number 4, and then it's 5, and now we just learned the number 6. Well done. You are doing so well. Are you sure you've not done this before? So the next number we're going up to is number 7. Wow, and this one's multicolored. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7 blocks. And that's what the number 7 looks like. Wow. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 blocks. Do you want to say it with me now? So we're going to go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. Well done. You're doing so well. That is the number 7. So now we go number 1, 2, well done, 3, 4, 5, 6, and the newest number we've just learned, number 7. Well done. Yeah. You're doing so well. Well done. The next number is number 8. Wow. They're getting so much more longer now. So we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 blocks. And that's what the number 8 looks like. So we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 blocks. Do you want to do it with me now? So we're going to go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Well done. You've just counted to the number 8. You are a superstar, you are. So we're going to go number 1, number 2, number 3, number 4, and what's next? You got it. Number 5, 6, 7, and the newest number we've just learned, number 8. Well done, you're doing so well. So now we're going to learn the number 9. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 blocks. And that is what the number 9 looks like. So we're going to go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And that is the number 9. Do you want to do it with me now? Okay, so we're going to go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Oh, you are doing so well. You've just learned the number 9. Give yourself a clap. Woo! So that means we're going to go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and the number we've just learned. You got this, come on. What number? It is number 9. Well done. Yay. So now we're going on to the last number, which is number, number 10. Wow. So we go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And that is what the number 10 looks like. So we go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Well done. Now, do you want to count with me? Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Oh, yes, well done. You just counted to 10. So we're going to go number 1, then to number 2, then to number 3, and then we're going to go number 4, and then number 5, and then 6, and then 7, and then we've got 8, 9, and the last number we've just learned. You can do this. What number is number 10? Yay! Well done. You just counted to number 10. You are so clever. Make sure you come back, hit that subscribe button. I'll see you in the next video.